Abrabo sembiesi e wo sehwiwi oso na enkrofo bi e di etio ekogu police ni bi nitrim tese wo mo abonitio e wo nitrim a wo mo ekunu yayaya na etie for police ni no the picture e na tese eda screen so a mu hu no e ya abrabo sem na die sie ene se ADB Bank you like say yes ADB Banker ewo Western North Region sehwiwi oso na womo obi nim se afiansa womo discount ko ana womo transfer scan but adia esi ye bank for no mo ka bia ye fe ne bullion van ya womo discount bank a womo di gusa bullion van ni mu na womo di gumu a mostly na ya police for ADH because sika ewo car si mu because yan hwe ni ya enkrofo because enkrofo nim se sa car si faska nti yan hwe ni ya enkrofo be kwa attack nti ya police for eka ho na we na trese ADB Bank dey was hwiwi also eyo mo adwen se wo mo efa sika aba banko na trese a police sergeant etiefo ni din aba ye friend General Sergeant Emmanuel Chikudo endra anopa 11 am womo ekobo ne tu a womo eku ne yayaya etiefo womo eku ne yayaya he was escorting the bullion van to an ADB bank na branch na senya medin kan tell no se fi wi so ho baby a ye frɛ no eye seshi asempenya ho na ye say attack na so a police ni and am ne ka say wadane nyankopon dia na police for omo ensem bia se BBC a ye frɛ bibi the police situational report omo try to short frɛ no C-trip na C-trip na ye ni aboso ama ye hu ensem a esi because police for situational report na trust the see ewo ho answer the yebe investigations no prelims no before the investigations and the see police for betro na trust wo mo agina so e de ahwehwe ensem ni mu enti the see no the omo kan and said the acting manager of the bank na eka wono na wo report asem no ema police for say ya attack wo mo bullion van bi na bullion van no Nissan mostly no bullion vans na ya na dodo na Nissans into bullion van Nissan a registration number no GT943617 na it was being escorted by one of or more ADB branch na also hwiwi also no wo mu nipa bi a ye friend no Xavier Amuzu. So what the banks actually do and they say sika eba I don't know anything about this to me nim sika no be a yom ko fa free I don't know but ye the sika eba bank a em say this year kra ye hu bi car ba ko ekofa sika enya accident ye ni ye hu de si ye em say Bank of Ghana na the sika free not to say den ko and also I know na ye friend bullion bullion van no and na ye friend bullion van na em say the esi ni say si the sika eba bank no ebefa wo mo rep say wo no na wo be supervisor in charge of the transfer of the money from baby di free no inti no ADB Bank wo mo work abi a friend no Xavier Amuzu ono na wo supervisor aside police now wo escort you no this supervisor is also supposed or expected to escort the vehicles to the bank safely inti owi ano no na ejuma no we Iti Xavier Amuzu na wo lead escort no ona no ye supervisor and I can say their car came under attack na attack no be hu say embrantie mienu and wo mo create etio no pump action mo amoten kan no etio na fe no kafungbe no pump action say etio no e kawa etetew nti ye say embrantie ni kita pump action and na womo sha say womo attack bullion van at the outskirts of community bia your friend 290 community ben seshi asempane ye em say ekuro ni din no mesre ekuro no mambodi ni ya monfa encheme and according to police for situational report no na General Sergeant Chikudoyi ade a wono so eka ho wo this can call the SM branch of the bank. Inti baby na sika no pan ADB Bank, but branch no ESAM. MCD no ESAM branch. E was se hwi oso ho na. na esi area no e na kyerɛ sɛ AD before no ekɔ report asɛm no ema police for na police for ɛsɛne patrol for ekɔ hɔ sɛ wɔn nkɔyɛ nhwehwɛmu na wɔn hwɛ die esiye na upon arrival no e na kyerɛ sɛ police for no hu sɛ wɔn nipa sergeant Chikudoi ya bonitio a woda ɛhɔ a kyerɛ sɛ akakakra na wewu ɛna wɔn yɛ sɛ wɔn rush no akɔ hospital na yɛde no ekodu hospital na kyerɛ sɛ wewu a etie for arehosem etio no obehu sɛ ne ti na yɛabɔ ne tire mu tio nti obi bebisa sɛ nti other people a wɔn supervise ɛyɛ car no a yɛ toto car ne tio no wɔn dan na ɛto wɔn no wɔn nya ho kwan esi fi car ne mu edwane yɛ the sense sergeant ne pɛ a yɛabɔ ne tio no wɔn sɛ asemi say wo ba it's your life you don't think about the next bibi say wo no yere nam kra na ubedwane agya no because it is your life you are thinking about me hu bibi say si a wo bi wone ne ba wo dwane ne ba no because na eye ne nkwa if things like this happen you just think about your life you don't even think about the other person you are with inti say wo mu hu say ya bo police ni timu tua wo mu ni ateka ni mti no instincts it just came reflex reaction say e wo so musi no mudwane say mu nia wo musi e na wo mudwane ye and microphone they had their way with the car no the report actually doesn't state say microphone no wo mu yi sika no African the report actually doesn't state but the yat say and say police force wo mu ye nhwehwemu na microphone no information bi a wo bi ebetumi aboa police na ya chesa microphone we no yes, more information and bringing because one of their own is dead in the line of duty. Nenda me no ka say may his soul rest in peace. Yet the body no akoto mortuary. Yet the body na akoto mortuary e was a also ho. This is a very serious issue. Na say police ni no esan say war escort sika nti no so create you nti ye bo ni tio no na still na tio no eda na nchen nti police for no afa etio no I don't know how or whatever they what they go and do with it but on one etio no but here for what I want us to talk about and they say nti police ni what would they do to help his family because in the line of duty and at will fame obviously people like this mostly they are the heads of their families womona ehwefie aside say wono papa ewofie no sisia no wewu ekoi what will be done by the government and the police force to ensure say police force will move in their line of duty no ya bomo na say am the report be ebremo brantie bia na wono so dispatch rider dispatch rider ma Kufuado wayama Rollins wayama Kofi Annan just say dispatch rider Emma Ghana speaker of parliament near dispatch rider man no police new dispatch rider ma sampling for it and in the line of duty no wonya accident and there me no can say still police for the share so wonya accident wono ani sika ninjapade just say wono na de sika koton san nyama ni na ona na tese woton sa ninja pade ne sa nyama ni nya no nya ska no de ni sika ehwe ne ho so police for no atonaje omo gyan na kratre say enye easy so things like this no that is the comment that comes up that's the issue that comes up says isia no wewu may his soul rest in peace what are the police doing for people like Sergeant Chikudo Sergeant Emmanuel Chikudo what are the police doing for his family? Almost yebeja almost for me person mo tremo adwen e comment box ni mu a sad story extremely sad story but share your thoughts on this. I mean we've been and that sorry now what say armed robbery attack Ghana aye normal manka first no what say armed robbery attack and now yem she say DNA but won there say because see what brabo musa it becomes normal. It becomes normal. This year alone, the robbery cases we've heard in Ghana, it's here for it's a winning Tamasi si ankofo sorry no mo te robbery case kra wo Ghana woni say we dey normal but first no I'm on try my comment box me take for me that say